Hello, my crypto family. Welcome back to the Crypto Show. I'll say this really shortly. Let's talk about the future. Let's talk about MetaPlanet. Let's dive in, guys. I just want to tell you that I'm not your financial advisor. This is not your financial advice. Please do your research before making any investments. So guys, let's talk about something different, namely the MetaPlanet, where we can right now secure our future with Ethereum. Over here guys, you can see that right now they are on Ethereum. This is their smart contract address. We can buy it on a Uniswap. We have DEX tools to track the performance of their token, DEX Scanner, Etherscan, CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. Over here we can see that over here at a MetaPlanet we have 0% buy and sell fees, 100% burn liquidity and total supply of 100 million token. When we talk about guys the ecosystem, namely of the story of the MetaPlanet, you need to know right now that the MetaPlanet owns more BTC than a Tesla now, going for a MicroStrategy as well. It's backed by Eric Trump and Michael Saylor, and also they're currently bull posting the company's ticket on the X name Twitter. I'll show that in a couple of seconds. Right now, this is the place where you can enter, namely this is right now the community meme token inspired by the MetaPlanet created by the fans. This is also Japan's only publicly listed Bitcoin Trezor company. Remember that this is big. MetaPlanet is also making bold moves, namely Eric Trump is a new advisor, as I already mentioned, and the company holds over 10,000 BTC, as you can see with your own eyes, more than a Coinbase. This is really big in my humble opinion. Also right now you can see that their goal is, as you can see, for 210, namely 200,010 BTC by 2027, namely 1% of all the Bitcoins out there. That's what they're driving, and right now I would say going for. Incredible, really. Also, as you can see, a Bitcoin hotel in Tokyo opens in a third quarter 2025. You can expect in a couple of months, backed by a community of 8,000 plus people. And also right now this is a great public support of right now Michael Saylor. You can see over with your own eyes, as you can see those biggest tweets over here, namely the posts, and on that way right now MetaPlanet is leading the Bitcoin race with that support over here. Also guys, one more time, their token is a MetaPlanet, namely on-chain, remember that right now. So I would say overall, if you're passionate about crypto and haven't heard right now on MetaPlanet yet, you are in for something special, guys. Believe me, because right now this massive ecosystem is Japan's only, one more time, publicly listed Bitcoin treasury company and is making serious waves in the crypto space. This is right now really incredible. You can see one more time or with your own eyes what I'm talking about. Or here on the bottom website you can also check out facts, namely the frequently asked questions, and over here as well some important things like what you need to do right now to hold a hard meme harder, to maximize meme yield, build on a trustworthy community, outperform by out-meming, and accumulate right now narrative. This is right now really incredible. Or here you can also see how to buy, namely a couple of steps. Right now they're available on the Uniswap. You need to create your wallet, as always a MetaMask wallet. You can get it on a mobile phone or a desktop as well. Get some Ethereum, you can buy it on some exchanges out there, or via cross-chain swap, of course. Go to Uniswap and guys just swap Ethereum for their token. I'll show that very simply over here. Just click over here in the Uniswap. You need to wait a couple of seconds. As you can see over here, the selected token is already over here MetaPlanet. You need to select over here the Ethereum, as you can see, and you need to connect your wallet on your right side. One more time guys, you can connect your MetaMask wallet guys and other wallets as well. I think it's really clear how to buy right now the token as usual, but if you're not sure, as you can see, you provided over here on the website with those in a couple of steps, namely how to buy the token over here. Over here you can see that they're providing with us, as you can see, in a couple of great images over here. They're putting a lot of fear for the great NFTs over here, and on that way showing us that right now they have the great community. As you can see on the bottom website, they're right now on the X Twitter. I'm going to follow them as well guys. There you can expect right now big updates, biggest news as well guys, because right now they're big. They're right now holding really great amount of the BTC guys, and they're really right now having a great growth of 200,000 and 10,000 BTC guys. I would say you can expect great things, maybe some giveaways, airdrops guys, but overall you can be engaged over here in the X, and also you can join discussions over here in the Twitter, namely Telegram. You can right now be engaged and join discussions on with the community over here. Because right now, believe me guys, MetaPlanet is quick rising, I would say, as a major player guys, because Eric Trump is right now, we have Michael Saylor as well guys, and right now with that combination we can expect over here a lot of things, I would say, overall. Also guys, they have right now huge communities on Twitter, Reddit, StockWits, and further afraid, I would say a lot of fields guys out there, and they'll be making sure that they will be seen everywhere. I would say wherever MetaPlanet is, they will be there alongside it. Believe me guys, because right now they are really big. I would say let's go on backside, because right now I just want to show you their tokenomics as well. I think it's important. As you can see, this is there, and their roadmap as well. As you can see guys, they're really right now planning the big things guys as well, but right now they have already great achievements, such as they have right now 1000 plus holders. They will be listed on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, 1.8 million trading volume, featured on Binance, listed on stock tweets, covered by major calls on X and Telegram guys, the biggest crypto influencers, the biggest crypto names out there. They're right now trading on desk screener and acknowledged by MetaPlanet's lead community manager. And also guys, launching right now their official Instagram, because right now they're going for really fast. Or here on a DEX tools, right now we can track the performance of the token. You can see with your own eyes that right now market cap is still low. That means we can expect a big upside, I would say, very soon. And with everything what is happening behind the project, with the great plans developments, they are going forward. I'm pretty sure guys into that. You can see right now that they are going forward. The big spike over here from this bottom is telling us that something is happening, and I can expect really so much room for this token to do some great things. Of course guys, be aware, it's on your decision, but guys, I'm telling my honest and humble opinion. Over here you can also guys track the performance of the token over here on CoinMarketCap, where you can also see that right down there up about 40% in the past 7 days, and they're going for a really slowly right now, but you can expect guys the fast swell in a couple of days with everything what is happening over here. Right, believe me guys, right now they have been started guys, and right now they're offering to us a really good opportunity over here. What I can tell you guys, it's only a decision. Do your own deep research guys. If you need some help, you can always write me in the comment section down below, and I'm here to help you as well. But overall, I can expect really great things for the MetaPlanet over here, and the things that they're right now developing, especially when we talk about guys the goal of how much Bitcoin they want to have in their portfolio. More than 200,000 guys. That's only about 1% of all the Bitcoin out there. Believe me guys, this is big. Yes. Please guys, leave me thoughts in the comment section. Tell me guys what you think right now about MetaPlanet. Also, check on the description box down below and smash that like, share, as okay, it means a lot. That was a crypto show, and I'll catch you in the next video.